My name is Spencer Shipman, and I did a science fair project for my biology class. I'm a freshman in high school, and the science fair project was on the effect of essential oils, clove bud, and oregano, and an antibiotic, amoxicillin, on the growth of bacteria. And pretty much amoxicillin, if you don't know, is an antibiotic that is commonly prescribed by doctors to kill bacterial issues such as strep throat, that kind of thing. And when I went to go tell my teacher my idea, she was very hesitant about the idea because she pretty much assumed that the amoxicillin would kill more bacteria than the essential oils would. And because of my own experience with the oils helped to kill my Crohn's disease. And so I told her that I think it would work better. So she said I could go ahead and try it out and see how it would work. So pretty much how I did the experiment. At first, I used 3 drops of each oil and then 1 little pill of amoxicillin on each plate to help kill the bacteria. And when I used 3 drops of oregano, it totally killed all of the bacteria, so there was no way for me to measure how much was actually killed. And my teacher was very surprised by that, so she had me do 1 drop of oregano, and that also killed out all of the bacteria. So she had me use a micro pipette, and that still killed more bacteria than the amoxicillin did. And when my teacher saw that, she was very shocked that a little drop of oregano could kill so much bacteria compared to a standardized pill. And I was somewhat surprised, but I kind of knew that the oregano would work better just because, like I said, my personal experience. And so I made a display board for my project and took it to the science fair, and I came in 4th place. So I'm very happy that I have personal experience and scientific proof that shows that these oils can be more effective than some prescribed medication. I'm very happy because I can take these without any side effects, and I can continue to do the things I like to do, such as play sports and hang out with my friends without any problems at all.